Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. I have spoken many times about this. If you want to learn German, you have to learn from the basics. If you are in hurry, if you want to make your career overnight in German language, it is not possible. Even God cannot help you because there is a proper procedure. There are proper levels A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. You have to learn properly. Yes, you have heard that your friend is earning 50,000 and somebody is earning 1 lakh Indian rupees and somebody is in Germany earning 2 lakh Indian rupees per month. Yes, it's very fascinating, it's very interesting to know, but you have to work hard. You have to learn German properly. If you haven't done A1, A2, B1, you cannot do direct B2 level. It's not possible. If somebody is saying, if somebody convince you that it is possible, please do let me know also in the comment, because it's like without studying primary school, without going to the primary school, without having got primary education, how can you achieve secondary schools? How can you pass secondary, senior secondary school? Is it possible? You give me the answer. No, it's not possible. So you have to learn A1, A2, B1 and then B2, and after that C1 or C2, whatever is your goal. But you have to learn properly. You have to learn step by step. Yes, you can minimize the duration by doing hard work. You can study 3 hours per day, 4 hours per day. Definitely, you can finish one level within 45 to 50 days. Yes, it is possible, very much possible, because you have to put in hard work. And if you put in hard work, definitely you will get success, you will get the result. But if you are not willing to do hard work and you want to learn German, you want to speak well, you want to get even a certificate, you want to pass, no, it's not possible. You have to pass the exam. For that you need to learn. You have to speak German. It takes time. You can learn German and pass exam within 2 months, 3 months of a particular level, but you cannot master the language. You cannot speak fluently. You cannot speak like natives. It takes time. It's a gradual process. It may take 1 year, 2 years. It depends how much time you devote every day. 2 hours per day, 3 hours per day, or just 5 minutes. It's your choice. It's your decision. I always say, before starting a new course, before starting a new language, please make up your mind. Take out some time, because it's an investment of time as well as money. Your money is very important and your time is also precious. So please take care of your money and your time. Once you lost the time and money, it will never come back. So please take a wise decision before starting German language. Put in hard work and take out proper time. You must devote 2 to 3 hours per day if you want to finish within 2 months per level. So it's my humble request, it's my suggestion to all the learners, so that you don't get misguided, you don't get confused. So take your decision and go ahead. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.